First item, wide leg pants. This is so cute. Cute. This is my first item. It has pockets. It is women's solid wide leg pants. It is wide leg. Wide leg. Elastic waist. Elastic waist all the way around. It's nice. Not snug. It has enough space so you can be comfortable in. High waist vacation pants, casual everyday pants for women. It is only $12.49. 2 pockets, very comfortable. High waist, elastic waist, fits just right, not tight, comfortable. It even fixes my little belly. This is fun. I love. Description and link is in my description box. Also, there is a 30% discount code in there. It's a bargain. There is no place like Temu, and the prices are had to be. High waist, 2 pocket pants. Love it. Yeah. Go shop. Happy shopping. Let me know what you buy when you purchase using my discount code. Wide leg. Very comfortable. That's a medium. It is so cute. This is so bohemian. This is so cute. So cute. Ah, love it. Love this. This is so beautiful. Beautiful. This dress is gorgeous. I'll show you the whole thing in a few minutes while I put it up. This is a V-neck, and it has 2 buttons right here for the sleeves and 2 over here. V-neck. It has this beautiful bow string to tie it. Description, you know what I'm talking about, right? And you tie it right here. It is a bohemian style dress. You can tie it just like this, or you can tie it in a bow, your preference. This is my second item, and it is a dress. It is a woman's dress floral print lace. Woman's dress floral print lace up Frill Bohemian pleated V-neck with split hem dress. $26.49, and the description and link is in the description box. If you click on it, it will take you directly to this dress, and there is a discount code for 30% off. Check this out. This is gorgeous. I love it. This is the dress. The dress is cute. It has this frilly right here, and it has like a half slip. Right? And then this. This is just so good. This is so me. The hip in me is coming out. The hip in me is coming out. I took me, and it also has a fastener right here. you can fasten so you don't have a deep V. But the V is just perfect sizing. It doesn't go all the way down where your bust will show. I mean, take a look. Take a look at this. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Temu. Thank you, Temu. Thank you, Temu. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is so gorgeous. So beautiful. So nice. You have to have one of these this summer. Rock this summer and have fun. Click and tell me in the description when you buy yours and what you think about it. Please, you gotta tell me about it. Can this dress bring me right back to my hippie days in my 20s and 30s? And Temu, thank you. My third item is elastic band fabric bootcut solid color wide leg flare pants. Women denim and clothing. It is there are 2 pockets in the back. The 2 pockets are in the back, no pockets on the side, and it fits me nice and snug, just how you want it. This is comfortable. And it is $23.49. So go out, shop Temu, enjoy nice stuff. Ooh, this is nice. I haven't worn corduroy in a long time. And I'm liking this again. OMG. I am really liking the corduroy. Yes. This is nice. Love, love, love. Go shopping, go shopping, go shopping. Use my discount code and be fabulous. Alright, I can rock this. This is beautiful. Another beautiful Temu dress. And this is my 4th floral print v-neck, short sleeve, cocktail evening party dress for summer and spring. Women clothing. This is all me. This short sleeve, v-neck, pretty dress, floral, is only $11.99. Plus, if you click the link in my description box, you get to use my 30% discount code, so that's even saving you big time money. Shop now. This is so cute. There's another print all the way to the end. Gorgeous. Temu all the way. Yes, 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 yes. I am so in love with Temu. I spent half an hour on the site. They have a lot of nice things. I mean, the price is hard to beat. Click here to get my outfits and enjoy 30% off discount on Temu. Everything else is in the description. That's my discount code. Use it to save some money. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and happy shopping. Use the discount code. Let me know what you purchased. And again, be fabulous, and I'll see you soon. Bye.